17 months old, these little ones. And it's like the mums have gone off to hunt something. Not the mums, the aunties have gone off to hunt something, leaving them in the company of the big males that are just about to come around the corner. 2 young males and a young female. And they belong to the same pride as the females we saw yesterday, the male we saw yesterday.
Oh.
And the other males are coming, they're coming around the corner now.
You take pics out of it.
They were a bit mangy last time, weren't they?
No, they had ringworm.
Ah.
They had ringworm?
Yeah. They don't now. Very healthy looking now.
Where are you going off to?
No, these two are going to jump on each other by the looks of things.
I know.
Yeah, it's fine. I got it working.
Yep, sure enough. I don't have behind them.
Just gewählt, ja. Hallo, außer ist.
Looks like they've been left to do the babysitting, these guys.
You said aunties, so they...
Certainly both.
Don't sit down, little one. Don't all sit down. You're supposed to go over and join the others.
Auntie doesn't want them close.
Why not?
She's busy with her boyfriend.
There's the big guy.
Here we go. Let's see what reaction we have with the males now.
Because you may work them out.
Come on, little one. Turn this way.
And let him look down. He's not happy.
He's edging closer to the female.
Okay, let's get that car with your 2.8. How's it coming? Oh. Why don't you take this guy? Just take it.
The male's coming as well. He's not interested in a fight today.
Oh, may I sit on the edge?
Yes.
Show me the color you get. No, it's nice. Lovely colour.
But I did a -0.7 adjustment.
Comes your brother. I'll have a tub blanket in a minute. King of the jungle. Playing nicely.
What have they found there?
It's a bone.
Oh, a bone from that buffalo from the other day. There was a buffalo, hyenas caught a buffalo here the other day.
Wow. Did you get to see that?
We saw them eating it.
How many would it take them to bring down the
We
buffalo?
saw at least, how many hyenas do we see? 8, 9
Tiny.
hyenas?
Being babysat by one of the fathers. And after being climbed all over and bitten and all the rest, he got up and left them. They were about 12 weeks old. We saw them 3 days later with their mum, who was refusing to feed them. They weren't happy. A whinier little bunch you couldn't have found. It was nice to know they've come this far. What you do? Yeah, hold on. Nice if they come and lie down here in a line, watching their owner. Yes, you can smell it.
There's fish in here? No.
Yes, catfish, lots of catfish in here.
Of course, they're everywhere, aren't they? Bubblefish.
Fishing site left the log off Mapogo and Sabi heading south from.
There we go.
You won't be able to see them from that distance. You can hear the lapwings making a noise, which is causing him to have a look. And he can probably
His ears are going.
smell and hear us over here, but he's got no clue. Oh, look, these little... They do have very big heads.
Lovely
compared-
black mane.
Yeah.
It's very dark.
What, babe? You get past?
Looking the other way.
The following car on it. But for 1 minute, I don't want to push any. Keep you on the. I'll take it 2. Okay, go ahead. Thanks, mate. Sorry, I've been sleeping again. Just a little bit, man. Give me a call in, right? Took him south of that approach again. See you on that.
This guy's way off beam.
They feel the chance of impala running into their mouths is higher if they're in the thicker
Good
bush.
picture, babe.
No, so we enjoy watching them.
Mm-hmm.